Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 and I will show you how to block a number. So to block a number, you will open the dialer and you will actually need to see the number. So as I don't have anyone here, I'm just gonna, for instance, dial non-existing number. Okay, and now as you see it, it's right here. So you hold it and then you will have this option, block number. Just tap on it and the block, and now it will be blocked. So whenever it will try to call you, it will automatically go to voicemail, and you won't be actually getting any ringtone or anything, so the number won't be bothering you. Now also, if you would want to unblock a number, you can just, whichever number you blocked, you can just hold it again as long as you can see it, and then have the unblock. Now instead you can press on unblock, and as you can see, it's back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.